Yo, what is going on, YouTube and Instagram family? Andre Money back here at it again with another video. And today, on today's trading session for London, I'll be looking at two main pairs, which is going to be GPNCD for potential long opportunities and GPCHF for potential short opportunities. Now, before I even get started, just go ahead and smash that like button down below, and also comment below for any new videos that you guys want to see or any content. And make sure to click the link in bio and description if you guys do want to be joining my live trading session with my students inside Pay Profit Club and take this trades alongside it with me every single night in my live trading sessions. So now let's go ahead and get started. So today on GPCHF, I think it was around last week that I did mention about GPCHF going for longs to fill in this imbalance area that we had in the weekly time frame. We did place a buy limit. That buy limit did not activate. Missed it for around 20. I think my bad. For like around 5 or 3 pips that we missed that buy limit. Now, if we would have hit buy limit, we would have had hit take profit as well. Which the take profit was actually a total amount of around 180 to 170, 190 pips that we had to take profit for GPCHF. But sadly, it didn't hit buy limit. But no worries, we're not going to be cashing that shorting position. So here on GPCHF, we can see how market is currently perfectly testing right on this weekly opening of accumulation price candle. This entry is based from my daily time frame because the confirmations I already have going on my weekly and daily time frame as well. So in the weekly time frame, we already have confirmation. The market has now came and filled in this empty imbalance area that we have here to now start retracing to the downside and filling in our buy side imbalance over here. So we're currently testing here. Now, what you might say, why do not get in on a sell if it's already testing now opening out a price candle? Because if we drop it down to the daily time frame here, well, on the daily time frame, we could see how market still has around 50 to 60 pips more to go to the upside before we see that drop happening. You might not see why there, but if you guys scroll back in the past, we could see that we have this daily accumulation of price candle that's currently waiting to be tested, right? So from current price where we're at right now, we still have around a total amount of around 57 to 60 pips to go before we even test that accumulation price candle and start seeing market drop. So my entry overall is based inside the daily time frame. I'm just waiting for market to come and test this daily opening of accumulation price candle. Now, since we are entering on a daily time frame, our stop loss is going to be much wider just because of the time frame that we're entering from. So my stop in this case my stop is going to be now in this case above accumulation price candle around 40 to 60 pips above it. I mean 30 to 40 pips above it, which that'll give us a total amount of stop loss that we currently have of 60 pips stop loss. So we're going to be risking 60 pips to gain a total amount of 302 pips here. Right, so that'll be the first take profit, which is right at that opening of the breaker, which market would come down and test inside this breaker here, which was an area that we broke prior as a resistance or support, and potentially keep on pushing lower for a second take profit. That would be the opening of accumulation price candle right here in this area, which would be around 345 pips to come and test this accumulation price candle that we have on the daily time frame. So you guys want to have the coordinates for this. I mean, here is our entry price, our profit area, and our stop loss area, which would be risking 60 to gain a total amount of 345 pips on GPCHF. So this is what I'm looking at for some opportunities. Now for GPNCD, I'm going to be looking for potential buying opportunities. So on GPNCD, we did miss out for the buy. So I'm going to just be waiting on a lower time frame for retracement to happen for me to now get in for new longing positions. So we can see how market here in the past on the day time frame, we had came and clear out this buy side liquidity that we had prior. Once we caught this buy side liquidity, well, market was going to tend to push a bit higher before we see any sort of retracement to the downside, which market did. Market pushed higher, creating this new imbalance area that we have right here. So we have this imbalance area where now market's going to come down and retrace and test and circulate our past candle, which is this last bearish candle before the momentum to the upside. What market do? Market came right into that candle, tested it perfectly, and got immediately rejected with no drawdown if that was an area that we got in for a buy, which that would have been my essential entry. But like I said, I wasn't really looking at this pair around those times, so I didn't even know about that happening. but no worries. We are going to be catching a retracement in a lower time frame. So we just drop it down to the 4 and 1 hour time frame. Here on the forward time frame, what I want to be waiting for is for market to drop on this 4-hour committed price candle before I get in for a long, which that would be indicating me to get in for a buy limit. So my entry price is overall going to be based on my forward time frame to come and tend into this committed price candle. And while my stop loss, like as always, is going to be 10 to 15 pips below accumulation, which will be right there, which will be the total amount of risk in 35 pips. My first take profit, I do have it to cloud this old high right here, which is at around 222 pips for our first take profit. So risking 35 to gain 222 for the first take profit. And while my second take profit, I do have a base from my daily time frame here, which would be to clear out my old highs that we left up here in this area, which is also some liquidity that we left on the upside. So my last take profit would be at 480 pips, which would be right in this area at 1.96740. So with that being said, I mean, those are the only pairs that I'm going to be looking to trade for tonight. Hopefully they both do get activated either tonight or tomorrow New York session. I do see GP and CD being activated for tonight's London session, and GP CHF most likely for tomorrow's New York session should be activated, if not tomorrow London session as well. So with that being said, don't forget to smash the like button down below and comment for any questions that you have. And like I said, if you want to be jumping my live trading sessions alongside with all my Piss Profit Club students, don't forget to click the link in my bio on my Instagram or the link in the description down below here on my YouTube channel to be part of my live trading sessions. So with that being said, everybody have a great night and happy trading to y'all.